everyone, today I am talking to you about our BlushSense by SeneGence. This product comes in 7 different shades and it is a creamy product. So I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. Don't be fooled, the tiniest bit goes the longest way, so you're best starting off with less and adding more if you need to. So the first thing I do, there's already like the smallest amount of product on my tube, so I don't even need to squeeze more out, is I literally just put a couple dots on my cheek and with a blush I blend it out. If you did feel that wasn't enough colour for you, again, you could go in, add a couple more dots and add some more product. But as you saw, I used the tiniest amount, blended it out with my brush, and that is there to stay for the day. All our creamy products also contain skincare within, so they are also anti-aging and beneficial for your skin. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found that video helpful. Bye!